Remove door handle.
Remove the stopper at the level of the door handle. You can now see the screw, Allen key 4, of the counterpart/lock cylinder through the hole. Unscrew the screw until the counterpart is released. The screw itself remains and cannot be removed. Then remove the counterpart outwards. Then pull the door handle backwards out of the door handle bracket.
Install door handle.
When installing, you must mount this part of the handle. In this part of the bearing bracket. To do this, you have to pull this part out a bit. With the exception of the driver's door, this can be done without tools. So just pull out a bit with your finger. And then push the handle forward again into the bearing bracket. Then insert the counterpart and fasten it. That easy.